This poor elephant needs immediate help after falling and getting stuck in a muddy pit. The huge creature has been stuck in there for several hours and is desperately trying to climb the steep sides of the pit. Luckily, the rescue team quickly arrived and are hoping to pull off a remarkable rescue and save the elephant's life. One thing is for sure, freeing an animal of this size is not going to be an easy undertaking. Using a mechanical digger, the rescuers are planning to clear a pathway for the elephant, hoping it will then be able to climb its way out. The elephant is now using all its strength to try and haul itself up to freedom, but looks like it ain't going to be easy. The elephant had spent hours trying to escape, so it looks like it doesn't have much energy left. The heavy creature is going to need a helping hand if it is to get out of there. The hapless elephant is trying so hard, but it just can't find the strength to get its heavy body up. The more it tries, the more exhausted it gets. Looks like the rescuers are going to need a backup plan if they're to save the elephant's life. The mud keeps crumbling away each time the elephant puts its foot on it, making its escape impossible. The rescuers decide to use the digger to lift the elephant out. They place the mechanical shovel behind the elephant's hefty bottom and give it a big push until it clambers to safety. After hours of being stranded, the elephant is finally free. The huge elephant didn't give them the thanks they were hoping for. Instead of being grateful, it charges at the digger repeatedly. Luckily, the rescuers managed to scare it off into the jungle before anything happens.